How to create conditional logic in Tally.so. In this video, I'll show you how to create conditional logic in Tally.so. To get started, go ahead and open Tally.so into your browser, sign into your account, and then go ahead and open the form where you want to create a conditional logic. So click on the edit button at the top right of the form to start editing this form. And then to add a conditional logic for this form, you just need to click on the three-dot menu from the block and then select add conditional logic from there. So in here, you can go ahead and set your logic, such as when this is and then, which is a highly helpful feature if you're setting up a quiz using Tally.so. So you can go ahead and click on preview to preview this page if the logic works with your added conditional logic. You can also click on publish once you're satisfied on how this looks like. And that is how you can basically create conditional logic in Tally.so. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.